Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy eye makeup looks that you can do this summer to impress anyone, everyone, yourself, because we're probably going to still be stuck in quarantine. Let's just jump right into it. For this first look, you will need 3 things: a brown pencil, mascara, and an eyeshadow palette. Start with your eyeshadow palette. 2 colors you want to use, a darker one and a lighter one. Start with the darker color. Place a small amount on your brush, place the powder on the corner of your eye, and blend it slightly into the crease. Now either wipe your brush off or get a new brush, and take your lighter color and put it on the rest of your lid. Just tap it on there. With a different brush, blend both together. Now take your eyeliner pencil and draw on both your upper and lower waterlines. If you can't do the upper, that's okay. Make sure to smudge it a little bit on the outer corner of your eye. You are almost done. Finally, take your mascara and go over your top and lower lashes. Make sure to rotate and make a zigzagging motion with your mascara wand for fuller and longer lashes. And there you have it, the first of our 3 summer eye looks. This first look is my personal favorite. I wear it all the time. Now for the second, which I will be demonstrating on this eye. The second look is a lot like the first one. For it, you will need an eyeshadow palette, mascara, and liquid eyeliner. First, choose a darker color for your crease. For this eye, I will be using different colors than the first eye. Place in the outer corner of your eye and blend it slightly into the crease. Next, take a lighter color and pack it onto the rest of your lid. This time I am using sparkly colors because this look is a bit fancier than the last one. Make sure to get the sparkly or lighter color on the inner corner of your eye. Now with a separate and/or blending brush, blend. Once you have blended, take a little bit of your darker color and put it just under the outer corner of your eye. Take the lighter and/or sparkly color you chose, put it just below your brow and under the rest of your eye. Make sure to blend the 2 together. Next, take your eyeliner and draw a small line from the outer corner of your eye up and out. Then, from the tip of that line you just drew, pull it back toward your eye. Fill in between the lines with your liner and blend it into the inner corner of your eye, creating a seamless, flawless, perfect line. Of course, none of us can actually achieve that, so just do your best. Make sure to wait until your eyeliner dries before opening your eyes, especially if you have hooded eyes. If you got eyeliner on your lashes, make sure to take it off before you put on your mascara. Otherwise you get a lot of clumps. I do this by gently rubbing my eyelashes between my fingers, not pulling on them because you don't want to rip them out. If you don't have that problem, or if you have shorter lashes, you probably can skip that step. Finally, take your mascara and use the same motion as last time, twirling and zigzagging against your eyelashes. Try to get as close to the base of your lashes as possible for a complete effect. Don't forget the bottom lashes. And now you have done a more fancy version of this one. It takes a little bit longer, but overall it is very much worth it if you need a slightly classier, fancier, more or less, well, you get the idea. The third and final look takes the longest and will require a black pencil or crayon, an eyeshadow palette, and mascara, as well as liquid eyeliner. You will also need either tape or a makeup wipe. If you are using tape, take a small piece and place it on the edge of your eye where you want your eyeliner to be. Try to follow the curve of your eye and make sure it lays flat against your skin. If you are not using tape, you can skip this step. For this look, choose 3 colors: a dark color, a light color, and a color somewhere in between. Start with the darker color. Place it on the outer corner of your eye where you've put the tape. Once you've placed the darker color on the outer corner of your eye, take the middle color and place it in the crease above it. Gently tap it into place and do not blend. Finally, take your lightest color and place it over the rest of your eyelid. Now take your blending brush and carefully blend the darker colors into the lighter color, blending up and away from the eye as much as possible. Next, take your black pencil or crayon and color over the tape and onto your eye most of the way. Next, take a small, short bristled brush and smudge the black line you've made. Next, take your liquid eyeliner and go over the black line you've created with the crayon. You can choose to stop here and put on some mascara, or you can continue the eyeliner down to the inner corner of your eye. When you have finished your eyeliner, you can remove the tape. Be careful not to pull too much on your eye. You can also choose to stop here, or place a little bit of the middle tone eyeshadow you chose underneath your eye. You can also do the same with the darker tone for a slightly more dramatic look. Make sure to take the lightest color and finish off the underside of your eye. And last but not least, top this look off with a full coat of mascara and/or fake eyelashes. If you have done this look without tape, follow all the steps exactly the same. When it comes to smudging the crayon, do your best to draw a straight line from the outer corner of your eye to, about here. Make sure to smudge only the top part of your black crayon line. Now with your makeup wipe, take a bit of it, and you're gonna basically draw a straight line from the outer corner of your eye out, basically where the tape would have been if you had tape. Then go in with your liquid eyeliner and do the exact same thing as you did on the other side. Finish it up by smudging the underside of your eye with some of the same colors you used on the top of your eye, and then adding mascara. As you can see, using tape makes a much straighter line with your eyeliner and creates that sort of cut crease that you're going for. It's not a cut crease, it's just a cut. That very sleek look. Whereas not using tape and only using a makeup wipe can sometimes lead to curved lines if you're not an expert, like I am not an expert. And there you have it. There are 3 easy summer looks you can do in just 5 minutes or less, usually. Unless, you mess up a lot like me, in which case it might be 10 minutes, but so some super simple looks for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe down below for more, and I will see you all next week.